She's got a zit. Where is it?
No, that's a hickey from Darren.
Oh.
Ready? You ready for this?
Yep, I'm ready.
You gotta back up.
I'm ready.
Turn. Your chips are left.
My chips are left. What are you talking about?
Okay, ready? Okay.
She's gonna get us kicked out of Burger King. My name
Jerk it
is.
off a little quicker.
My name is Chip. Excuse me, could you help me get something out of the oven? You're gonna like bust the sink and it's not gonna be my fault.
Oh, yeah.
Excuse me. What are you doing?
I was trying to
What? You trying to what?
fix this.
What did Darren do to you now? Nothing yet. Not yet. See, look at that look on her face. That means not yet.
I was trying to see my knee.
Okay. Low. Okay, ready?
God, it got wet. Oh, dude, it's soaked.
Why'd you get soaked? Because that's what she said.
Well, people call it a landlord. It's a lanyard.
Who calls it a landlord?
Jess. She calls it a landlord.
Wait, do you hear that? Are you playing Mexican music?
Don't open that door. Holy shit! The power of Christ compels you. Okay, bye. Bye-bye.
I'm not stopping.
No, bye-bye.
I'm not stopping. It ain't over yet.
Okay.
Shaniqua didn't get soaked yet. Wait, what is she doing in there? Any comments, Shaniqua?
Fucking bit me, motherfucker.
Who?
Do you see that? Do you see that? Oh, it fucking bit
Who bit you? Did you bite her?
What the fuck?
I'll tell you who else bites. Darren bites. Darren, you better watch out. I think Jamie's trying to steal your girlfriend. Oh, a shoe! I got the shoe. I gotta stick it in the toilet.
Dude, this is so dirty.
I got the shoe.
Clean up your face, you're dirty. Hi, I'm dirty. Who are you?
See, this is what Darren gets for going home at 6 o'clock.
You bitch. Oh, good hug, good hug.
Darren, I'm telling you, I think Jamie's trying to steal your girlfriend. You okay?
It's a necklace.
Wait a minute, I dare you to walk out with that around your neck.
Wait, around there?
You or Shanique gonna walk around your neck? No, walk around it without around your neck.
You got it, Jamie. Jamie, you're messing my boob up.
You messed my boob up.
Look, guys, it's turning. Wait, let me make my hands up ahead.
Shanique will walk out with one around your neck.
Walk out with one on your pants like this.
No, you're gonna walk around with one on your neck. It's more obvious on your neck. And I'll videotape that once. What do you?
Oh, shit.
She's gonna walk her. Oh my god.
Okay, hold on.
Okay.